So we're not gonna film but like weird because Kazuki! Hey guys.
Hey guys. So today is a very different video, isn't it?
Yeah, because of this.
Miyeru kana? Stop laughing! 怖いよ。
やばいですね。
はい、じゃあ。
It's insane. It's typhoon.
Basically, everything today has been cancelled. I went to. Can you even hear me?
Chubby.
What?
Its name is Chubby.
Shubi.
Chaby.
Chaby?
Chaby.
Chaby. That's too cute.
Typhoon is here, and
It seems to be the biggest one, right?
it's pretty bad.
Our mosquito net just ran away. Is it really gone?
No, it's not gone.
Okay.
Get back.
怖い怖い怖い怖い。So our trash is just gone. Also, our mosquito net has broken completely. So we've had so many typhoons this year, and you'd think you'd get used to it, and I thought I was used to it, but this one, it's really freaking me out.
It's true. Our house is kind of shaking now.
Yeah.
Like in the way it blows very hard.
And things are breaking.
Yeah.
Some of my friends' houses are blacked out.
Yeah, and we just saw on one house, like its top. What is it? It's kind of the air conditioning.
Like the box
box?
on top of a building. I think it's for air conditioning.
It's kind of like shaking.
Yeah.
And I think it's gonna like come off and stuff.
I thought, you know, since we're home today because we can't go outside, you know, oh, let's make a fun video. But now we're like actually scared. And it's like, I don't know if this is gonna be a fun video. Our garbage can just made like a loop in the air. It just went like this. It's really not funny. We should close the blind. We closed our blinds on like all the other blinds, but we wanted a little bit of light in the house because I don't like dark places.
Yeah, but like we want our lives more.
Yeah, like what if the glass breaks and you know that would be bad, right?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, but
Very cool.
you guys don't have lots of hurricanes and stuff. You guys
We don't have hurricanes, we don't have typhoons, we don't have earthquakes.
Good.
We just have a lot of mild rain. Japanese people, if you want some milder weather, move to Belgium. It's great. We're gonna close the shutter before, yeah. Because like seeing it is scarier than, you know, if you didn't see it, I think. Because like when you can see that like all the cables and everything is just moving, it just gets more scary.
Yeah.
Last view of the outside right now. No, you're gonna open it? Wait. Oh my god, my plant! I mean, it died already, so it's fine.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no, honey, wait. Don't do it. 怖いからどうしよう. Yeah,できない. We should have closed it before. Why are we so stupid? See, like the other rooms are completely closed. But I was so stupid to, you know, want some light.
But like we should close it anyway, like otherwise.
We really need to close it.
Okay.
Okay. My plants! Okay.
Okay.
Well, this is depressing.
I mean, it's less scary now.
We still have one. Kiddo, the noise is really scary though.
But this one is fine.
There's a lot less wind coming at this window.
Look at the tree. Yeah! And see all the bikes fell down.
I mean, yeah, what did they expect? You know the thing we were talking about that we thought was gonna fall off?
I think it fell.
Yeah, it fell off. Yeah. It was right next to the other thing, and now it's not there anymore.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at it. Something is kind of hanging. Can I see it? Something is hanging there. I think it's part of the wire.
Yeah, that's why people get blackouts. So I'm hoping we don't get a blackout.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's not the worst, I guess. Wow.
Wow.
Oh shit. Well, okay. So everything is closed now. I think we should be safer.
It doesn't look safe though.
I mean, there's nothing we can do at this point, you know?
Okay.
So what we actually thought we were gonna do
is how to spend a hurricane day.
Is it a hurricane or a typhoon?
Typhoon.
What to do? Like how to spend your day during
Happily.
How to distract yourself from the possible death that is coming.
Yeah. Because the time goes on anyway, but like it has to be well spent.
One disclaimer though before we go on, like I don't want this video to come off like we're making too much light of it. People actually die during typhoons, right? We're not trying to make light of a situation that's supposed to be serious. We're just trying to distract ourselves from like, you know, being too scared.
Yep.
Please don't be offended. Just trying to have a good day.
So what can you do during the typhoon day?
We actually haven't come up with anything, so this is gonna be improv. What to do during a typhoon? Go.
You know, I have a library, and I've got lots of manga to read. What to do in the typhoon day?
Play your favorite video game. Do it.
No, you don't have it. You don't have to.
I got something I think we needed. Ah, someone's hitting me. Yes, gotcha.
Come back.
I'm hiding. No, let me hide. I'm hiding.
Okay, good.
What to do during a typhoon?
Blow in her mouth.
Ew.
So I like blowing stuff.
Moving on.
What to do in the typhoon day?
Play card games.
Yeah, that's boring. Yeah, sure.
What to do in a typhoon day?
Eat snacks!
Is this a snack haul video?
It's always good to stock some snacks, you know, in case of emergency. You know, right? What to do in the typhoon day?
Sing your favorite song.
Sing it.
When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city
on that typhoon day.
Beautiful. What to do during a typhoon?
Play your stuffed animals. Hey guys, my name is Frankie. His name is actually Frankie.
He's our first child.
So what to do in the typhoon day?
Dance.
Show me.
You have to give me a beat, like a fun song.
Oh.
Oh no. So the lights went out temporarily.
I don't know.
Let's pretend like everything's fine.
Oh yeah, Albert.
What to do during a typhoon?
Watching movies, watching dramas, watching TV. Terrace House.
Queer Eye.
Friends.
Orange is the New Black. Harry Potter.
Train Man.
Oh, that was a good one.
What to do in the typhoon day?
Skype your family on the other side of the world. Actually, let's not do that because they're gonna get very, very like scared for us.
Yep.
So we're only gonna post this video after everything's fine.
Yeah.
And after we were all fine. So Mom, we're okay. What to do during a typhoon?
Play act it out. It's a free app.
You should probably know how to play it. It's very easy. You just pick a category.
See, even Ellen tells you how to do it, so it's very easy. It's Ellen! You don't know Ellen?
I don't know Ellen.
Okay, ask me one more time.
What to do in the typhoon day?
Watch Ellen!
Ellen? So who's Ellen?
Pass. Go like this.
Ellen. Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Now it's blacked out.
Get back to the home screen by going like this.
Ellen is the only light source.
Hang on.
Writing code for that.
No. I don't get it.
何？いや、壊れたでしょ。
あ、無理。Oh shit. あ、ごめん、無理。
あらまあ。It's gonna be very spooky. Oh!
Oh!
Hey!
Yeah!
Directing, conducting?
Yeah.
Smoking. Drinking through a straw? Oh. Looking through binoculars. Pirate. A seagull. Watching the birds in the sky.
Yes! Conducting orchestra? No idea. What to do in the typhoon day?
I had something but I forgot. I have something really good. Cook your favorite meal.
Like what?
Pancakes or waffles or cake.
Good.
What to do during a typhoon?
Sleep!
Take a nap.
What to do in the hurricane day? I mean typhoon day.
Make up a song.
Para-pa-para. Para-para. Coming to Japan. Who's hack? Who's hack? Not the for big of Thank you.
You're welcome.
What to do in the typhoon day?
Make a YouTube video about what to do in a typhoon day.
Yeah!
Anyway, I hope you had a good time.
Yeah, and please hope that we're gonna have a good time. You know, you're not gonna die.
No, if you're seeing this video, we're fine. We didn't die.
Yeah, we don't. If you don't see this video, please be worried.
Yes.
I mean, like, you know.
We're gonna try to have a nice day.
So, hope you have a nice day and live happily ever after.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. What to do in the drive-by?
What to do in a drive-by?